today is January 3rd, 2025. The third day in January. Third day in January, but also the third day in 2025, y'all. So, it's about almost 1 p.m. and I'm going into one of my homes away from homes.
$10 reward. Would you like to use that today?
Alright, y'all. It's the first. I don't hear no music yet. Normally they be jamming. Look at this. Buck bourbon. Take your shot. They got the Steelers cut field knife kit. Okay. Mark price. Oh, they got a lot of their stuff marked down. Hot cocoa drizzled popcorn. Alright. Y'all know I'm already looking for garden stuff to see if they start put their garden stuff out. But they done cleared a lot. Oh, they got some seeds. I thought they had put it in, or did they just bring it out? I have to ask if they just put these out for the season. I'm sure gonna ask when I get up there. I'm getting excited again. I gotta go through my seeds though, or else I'm gonna have too many seeds, y'all. Too many seeds, okay? Look at this. These normally runs, but y'all see this on Amazing Grace. Garden, kitchen, and divine treasures. But they do got. I'm gonna ask them though if they just put this out, cause I don't remember seeing it here all season. So it's getting about that time, y'all start to getting this stuff and taking care of it in your greenhouse or inside your home or your garage or whatever. You don't just have to have a greenhouse. So let's see. I came in here though for chicken sprinkles. I didn't come in here for this. This is for dogs. Came in here for feed. That's what I came in here for. Some feed. I said, let me look and see what else they got. Y'all, I'm getting this. It's January. You know, March will be here before you know it. Okay? March will be here before you know it. Okay, so I need some scratch grain. It is $14.99. Sometimes you may catch it on sale, but that's what it is. And then over here, I'm gonna get a thing of feed. And it's $19.99. A couple years ago when I was getting feed, it was $23 and something. So I'm gonna get that. Okay, honey buns. So I like to come down here too and look and see what they have. Still got the nesting boxes, but I need a rollaway nester. So that's gonna be my next thing because my eggs is starting to get messed up. Well, more dirty is what I'm saying, because they out there playing with them and stuff. They do have these for anybody that's interested. You can make like the bucket container things, or you can put it in the bucket or whatever the case may be. But I'm content with the way I have my feeders set up. They are DIY feeders with the 5-gallon buckets. I'm content with those, so I don't need that. Okay, honey bun. So right here, like I told you, got the 20% chick starter. This is what I keep my chickens on, no matter how old they are. Okay, always have. This is 50-pound bag, and then I have the scratch grain that's right here. It's a 50-pound bag too. So got that. And y'all, here go they marked down section. You know, when I go in stores, I try to look at the clearance section to see what I can see for, you know, this a flying insect light trap refills. This will be good to start getting your stuff for the spring and summertime, like your bug spray and all that type of stuff. What's that say? Caramel apple attractant spray. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, that's what I need to look for. I need to go over here and look for what is it? The no pecking spray for the chickens. While I'm in here, because I almost forgot about that. Some of those rubs. Let's say seeds. Oh, it's one of those lantern things where you for mosquitoes you put the oil and stuff in there. So they got a couple little things down here and stuff. Let's see what's this. Oh, that's chair. I don't need none of that. None of that. None of that. They got knives. I like knives. Pocket knives. Different types of knives. Oronde like knives too. Love knives. Alright, so let me go find the, what would it be? The no pecking spray is what I need when they get out there picking each other's feathers and stuff. Alright, so Oronde found the no pecking spray. Oh! God, good googly moogly. $15.99. No picking for chickens. Hydrogel, reduced count. But guess what? I gotta get it. I gotta get it, or else they all gonna be bald. So I'm gonna get that, but $15.99. And then they got this brand right here. $24.99. So we're gonna do the vet brand. We'll do that, okay? $15.99. Okay, honey buns, let me just go ahead and show you this too. For those of you that I've been telling y'all about the food grade diatomaceous earth, this is the one I normally would get, but it went up. It used to be $16 and something. Now it's $30. 28 something. Well, it used to be right at 30, so they done went down $2. So, but that's the one food grade. But one that's a little bit more cheaper is this one. And it's food grade too. See, it tells you right there. And they gonna see what the price is on that. That one, so they did it backwards then, cause this one used to be cheaper. Yeah.
That's a 40 and that's a 20.
Yeah, but they did it cheaper, cause this one used to be cheaper, and that used to be more, and it's the same. Wow. So now let me tell you, I told y'all some of it depending on, oh, it's dusty. Depending on the brand, this one right here comes out like a brown powder. This one come out like a pure white powder, but they both food grade. They are just different brands, so that is the difference on that.
I didn't know the shell and thing was online. There you go. Y'all have a great day. I didn't know the shell. That's alright. Well, I wasn't going to send her, but she was crying about it, so I said, okay. I'm going to start making her go at 11. How y'all doing today?
All right, how are you? Got a question. The seeds, did y'all just put those out, or they been out all year, like
what's that?
Year round? The seeds, like plant seeds, garden seeds.
They just got put out.
They just, so y'all done start putting out that stuff.
Yeah, a little bit of it. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Let's see. What's that phone number?
Okay, y'all. So we got a couple different things.
Now I wish they would keep some seeds out year round, because I mean, cabbage, greens. There's a lot of stuff that here and down all the way down to Mississippi that you can grow year round.
Yeah, exactly.
Come to fall, they take all our seeds away.
Yeah.
I probably had 15, 20 people in the last few months ask me if we had any either lettuce, cabbage, or greens seeds, and I'm like, nope, ain't got none.
I'm trying to get many people back home in Mississippi on this growing stuff. So I be looking forward when I come in here. I'm like, where he at?
Yeah. I did it last year. I had more tomatoes than I knew what to do with. Jarred some of them, and that, and cucumbers, some butter beans. So I'm probably going to expand it a little further this year too.
Yeah. That's
a lot of money on tomatoes and green peppers. They had green peppers too.
Start freezing them if you're not freezing them. They'll last. Yeah, exactly. All right.
All right.
Well, you have a good day. You too. All right, y'all. So we got our stuff. We're leaving out. Every time I come in this one, I always look for him, because every time I give him my number, he's like, "Yep, Mississippi," because he's from Mississippi too, born and raised. So it's always a pleasure when I come in here to actually have him to check us out, because we just on that same page. He was saying he done had so many people come in lately asking about the lettuce and all them type of seeds, And he was saying he wished they let them stay out because from like here, he said from here all the way down to Mississippi, you know, you could still be growing some things, and that's just the way it is. But they put it out. But it's getting that time. It's close to it. It's getting close now. All right, y'all. So like he was saying, they just put those seeds out. They just put, it's January. I told y'all stuff was gonna start doing when I saw that spring stuff out at the Dollar Tree. If y'all watched that vlog where I showed you some of the stuff was out, they were slowly putting it out. He said they just put them seeds out. Just put them seeds out. So people already has been asking, he said, weeks in the upcoming weeks about those seeds. So now they got them out. So check your Tractor Supply. It's time to start getting that stuff a little bit at a time, so you ready for when spring get here, because March time we start doing a lot of this stuff. But like lettuce and stuff you can start doing now, okay? But so more about that stuff is over on Amazing Grace Garden, Kitchen, and Divine Treasures. That is my second channel. So if you not over there, which way no, go ahead over there, because I got a lot of good videos that's gonna come out over there for y'all.
Cause I got these mouths to feed. Then I think about where
Okay, y'all, so if y'all watched the video prior to this, you know I went and bought this no pecking spray, because I got some out here that's been pecking like crazy. And the quickest way, I know I'm not doing it, say don't get towards their eyes and nothing like that, trying my best not to. But the one I had in sick bay, we put her back in here because it was cold. She needed to be in the heat, and they was trying to peck her. And when I sprayed her, one went and tried to peck her and then started cleaning this bee. It did not like it, so I'm hoping that'll work. But all the ones look like they've been getting pecked. I am spraying much as I can so they feathers can grow back. And try not to get nobody's face. And try not to get it in their water. So I done sprayed a good amount of them. She let me spray them. She is not minding.
Who you hollering at?
So that's what I'm doing. So this is no pecking, okay? So I think it's working, because like I said, when that one went to pecker and she was sprayed, it did not like it. Oh, that one right there needs to be sprayed. They don't like it when they try to go pick one that's been sprayed. Oh no. I stepped on an egg. I stepped on an egg. No, and I don't want them to get it. No. Move. I spray you with this pecking spray on the tail. Okay. I was going after the one, it's a black one that look like they done pecked her a lot. Where is that? Alright, honey buns, so now it's time to pick up eggs. So we got, I'm trying to make sure I ain't got none. I think that was the only one I had that was right there. So I had to pick up eggs. Let's see. Without stepping on anything. Move now. Move. Oh. They be coming for them, y'all. 1 2, 3, 4. This card in the way. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm gonna lightly move around to make sure ain't none buried. Okay. Can you get her down? 24. Oh, you jumped right on top of them. 24. It sounds like one be laughing. 25, 26, 27, 28, woo, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32. It would have been 33, but the one I accidentally stepped on. Now we got to get the girls some feed. I didn't get that great one. I know I didn't.